Arefo ene ukuada 11th August 2021 and then morning show and it's medasium voice it and then yasa ehye ye hyaseɛ afri efie nsɛm nsɛm wɔ esisi wɔ Ghana and then me pese ye nyinaa ye tibie tie ye hyaseɛ afri Republican press Ajimamenu on thinking level health minister is now on thinking level as he takes a break to consider next move. Yanko, the new crusading guide. The president, Akufo-Addo, now commissioned $16 million tomato processing factory. I think that one district, one factory, now I'm opening Gusua or commission, Samuel Oku projects open door policy, the new crusading guide, and so any my and no delegate, younger delegate, so NDC stops anti-Mahama campaign. NDC stop anti-Mahama campaign. To read front page wa and I can see a delegate and the whole can see a papa and the custodian, and so your name are any muna and I can see the confusion rocks Eastern region NDC over anti-Mahama campaign. Mahama campaign no Jenna Homena our Omei and also the custodian at the Nimu and now publishers so they might and also the Nimu was $60 million tomato factory na penny akudi anono and no one so na the founder and so and no one the Nimu kase one district one factory $16 million tomato factory opened by Mahama, the president, by Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, sorry, the president. And I work Ghanaian Times, and also the Nimu kase pa. Ghanaian Times, the Nimu kase pa. But we will name shame defaulters. Daily analysis. Ubongo said, Education Minister also, if we need any more, teachers' unions threaten strikes. Asem yaba, and also the daily analysis. The my the idea crown the Chronicles, and also bones the police in power address. Come on, and also now as the police close in on top killers. If you some and then my air poppy banana, now the agent of women as a president, Apple Commission, $60 million tomato factory. I will break Kuma and then baby I be piano at that any more agent of home. Emina, I had a different AC, Nene, young Como piano, Yatwaso, and then Yamia Yadum Yasesia. Our voice it. So, and then menya a cook down for me out or with the Aquatine. Our yan district and a yan constituency. Yimu enter Meda or more eddy. Namia may did you mediate time when you made that. Say Cololo and then many share our voice it. So, young running to Yenche and Meda and then my baby of Bono Eddie. Actually, my man started. Every a drop boss. Memo akwa.
Me just mean.
The pastor yaba o microphone ko anu kakra.
Okay, me that's it.
The pastor ahefo amohwe me dey utimu se edimu we edimu fufuro edimu fufuro bia e wo mfoni so. Me dey share and then na wo pepe as National Health Insurance Manager e wo your district mu. And Yasanes Yawsan, the constituency, MPP polling station, chairman, and then Yanesia, Mepesemonwa, Abunidi, Namasati. Boss,
Mamma correction,
the battle.
Efijasi Asokore, the name of the constituency.
Efijasi Asokore
constituency.
Constituency.
But within the constituency now, there were polling stations. Maybe a polling station chairman or traditional council.
Or traditional council.
Traditional council.
Traditional council.
Asokore tradition. Your polling station needing the traditional council.
Traditional council.
Asokore. A one of your polling station chairman.
Medasi.
Your family Ampemdaku David.
Ampemdaku David. Yes. Bema Ampemdaku David. And then Yenno Asia. Me wo penny kasiye pa ba ko so ka ho. And then me dad edi kire wo na hunu a. Wan ka sebe shock you say. Meti ya ko hero e de naba and then dwumadi so. Mame nko ne nchen entempa so. Chairman.
Yes sir.
Chairman bazo use the microphone mame.
The boss, we didn't escaping kakra.
Sekolulu. Chairman ene enetia woye Efijasi Asokore constituency NDC chairman. Enya de ketwa Efijasi Asokore constituency chairman. Ene yetimi akotu na sene naba Efijasi Maiji TV so amene wo behu ne chairman. Me patom pese wankasa wo bodi na introduce kakra ma ahwefo.
Yo, Meshe, da Ashefwase, the family Ibrahim Adams, and I'm here in this constituency chairman.
But we will know smarts and Kakama have for her wedding Kakra.
They said, because of protocol, I'm buying a Jabanti, definitely, they said, no smarts and they say to me, Eshe.
Tell my Edim Russell,
the Ibrahim Adams, if you don't Zungana, you will, I hear Krume Yan, your woman, it's me. And I'm here in this constituency chairman.
NDC constituency chairman of Efijasi Asokore constituency. And then they need a share. One year, Ampemdaku David. And also the traditional council polling station chairman. And then you know Meshia, you know more ever picking and come on. Nayan channel, you go on the young come up picking also. And then the dear ma, the province of Remo be show you so. And the Sunday, me percent you compare. Na your contracting your development our constituency from bra now Mahama so as a president and now co-opposition and now Akufo-Addo ever twice from 2016 ever as the incumbent president and then the development within our district within our constituency and until yes ya ewa and my starting from so time Mame starting free chairman so. Question it here. Abroad. Masheda na mayanisa. Masheda na mayanisa. Abroad. Masheda ene mayanisa. Any chairman. Why Ubedi chairman how many years?
You mean medawasi na masa achefobia na the income so mebo Efijasi hene na Asokore ehene abaso se aban ko omo na eye leaders ana se ye nananom a omo ehebia ema aban time de timpim mai de eba me bedi constituency chairman se ye yakoni fi na ya so from 2008 up to this date ti me fan se be fi miensa ne kakra
from 2018
Yakobe in field 9 Ankasa.
The Pacho, what they get constituency chairman, a calling field 9. And in terms of development within a constituency here, one Kasa was answered to Fijasi Zungu, and to winning the air cost for. That's how me Mawaquina. Ama, one ma I have worked send it from 2012. ABC saying na your development no ete ewo your constituency.
Yo minya medawasi. This constituency here na your way. Ana politics no. Ye your way ya ni try your funuma. The case your way ya ni try your funuma na chese usha mpapa malala say what in the dinda. He said Moon what it tea, it be a number could be on the day, never could I not need the chili. To Chromium Punto sɛ ɛkɔ so sɛ ɛnkɔ so no yɛdeɛ yɛne tua na yɛka mpuntunnwom a sɛdeɛ memeyɛ kramoni koran kaeɛ no ɔse tam biara nokora bɛpie no ne kontompo ɛpɛ baabi de ti ayɛ dɛ ahyɛ asɛm wɔ yi ɛnyɛ sɛ meba abɛtena ha na maka no kyerɛ saa kwa even kuroma no ɔmo nim deɛ meme yɛde meka meka so a nipa ntoɔ no so wɔte a wɔbɔ ne tiri nkosi asɛm a kyɛ meka yi ɛyɛ nokorɛ yɛka mpuntunnwuma ɛwɔ yɛ district ha ɛyɛ Fidiase Asukwa constituency anaasɛ section east district wontumi nyi aban biara anaasɛ wontumi mmɔ aban biara edin apart from NDC ɛfiri sɛ wokɔ yɛ kurom nketewa na woba yɛ kurom akɛseɛ mmienu ɛyɛ Asukwa ne Fidiase a ade papa bi a wɔ kurom ha bia da no yɛde nsa esi ɛbɔ ɛkɛse ɛbɔ sɛ yɛ NDC yɛ ne yɛ memfa wo nkɔkyiri wokɔ yɛ kurom nketewa before 2008 or 2009 na yenya emma media akonya yi so wokɔ yɛ kurom nketewa electricity a problem yɛba yɛpɛ ɛne the NDC ɛyɛ ɔna wokɔgya dɛ ɛtra ne level best sɛ dabi ɛnɛ sɛdeɛ sɛbe anibie asi aba no sɛ woni electricity a ɛha dwen ana sɛ baabi a amanfoɔ nipa no teɛ no so electricity a ana ɛdin sɛ ɔbɛma greater free wɔ sɛ wɔkɔ baabi foforɔ akɔ ɛdɛ akɔtena no ma ɔla sɛ kurom akɛseɛ no a ɔmo firi nkurom ketewa no ɔmo de aba ha nti wohwɛ ya about say out of 26 or 24 communities, you know.
Because of the distance, it means a nose mask amount break.
Yeah. Out of 26 or 25 communities, I walk away district. A move 23. Can we say only one community and then for electricity uncle. Baby, I is ready. A mamma for where they have. Oshe sabi yase oman puntu anasa oman echichiriyo ejina education so enokra se NPP aban edit out say oman ma free SHS whatever but minia so wo ka wo yusu ana moto wo de anya bi akwa wo de wonni mu sa ne mai bia ah wo de yusu nine wo de ma me fa online enye example sabi minka emu womo a sabi womo nan ni ho no admitia sabi se wo nan ni ho no mo a ebe edin se obetuma yede anante be ka ba be so ewie se ye sori a ye se ye ma free but free no se infrastructure anase infrastructures eni ho no mo a nkwada no ehemfa e na omo kwatena yede atena se esuade ama omo soso adesua na awie peyo etohwa ya ye communities ha bebi biada bebia na esafata se ese di school ko ho biada no kokro no so na bo NDC din a no ma so no matuche
me pacho chairman me person de ye specific wo no baby.
Okay,
what say yewura kwaga de ebe DC you know wo boama nkron ketwa na
rural electrification
me pacho ubetima mame nkro no number oba e otimi boama omunya.
What I know is say before 2008 from that home to Ayensan electricity no
enti free that come go see inside kro ne wo ni nyina
we provided electricity
that come to inside
exactly and a free aponso kwa senchi eno so na electricity no ho ye na de koi with the free senchi e de kwa takrom ye na de koi with the free senchi exception of ogwa eno de say ye enkwada nyina na ho de electricity ne de e wo ho dada with the free senchi de ko senchi senator NDC ye na de koi senator to Konkwanya ye na de koi so from Fidiase to Kumso, the only place and as a community so man to benefiting from this electricity was Boya and then the Titikaso. And no Pokrano, me na me assembly member from 2014 to 2018 somewhere. Na ye never kwa as one American will be our assembly member, be our assembly when very much aware say they never go up Nanka there to so up to this data Kabana Kasan communities Minuka, Omania electricity. Yea, you tumran electricity. And the areas where I'm about Bonnie natural, you will provide electricity. And the BM, even within the townships, the extension of rural electrification, yet the big coin. I will best be a fidasa, you to me extended, yeah. I who took room, ya extended, bia at the soldier, ya extended, what they say, baby, a manager, area or 20 nano, yan ya extended in the coin.
When I'm on manager lights.
Exactly. So, Japan, we are not we are not. So, and you know, yeah, no, about in terms of development within this district, party plant me for non compare. Mammy tried the schools. Now me bo and as na me kase ampa free the a year will be a no or free. Now a moment some fan maybe a one free now oh yeah 777 a business. So a nini na so bia. Oko if you just Methodist JHSR, you see 3 classroom block, office and store. Emma woman.
3 classroom block,
office
and store.
And yet Sabi me boom seminaka, ubetuna alcohol, aqua. Uba number 2, if you just see LA, Kokwasi, you see 4 room class, 4 classroom block. Emma woman,
LA Kokwasi.
Here, if you just here, Asokore Methodist. Yes, it says room, classroom block. Day, Emma woman, office and store. Oba RC. Yes, it says room, classroom block.
Asokore Methodist is 6 room, classroom block.
That's it. Office and store.
And LA Kokwasi is saying
LA Kokwasi
4. Okay.
Asokore RC primary.
Asokore
RC 6 classrooms. Block.
And also classroom saying
6.
At your phone, will be a fan pen, need a paper. Now, and come on, ye was so put to no matter. Oh, questioner, who bet must send Yaba. Now, you present penny for Yamo, Amo Munchemu. Now, no comment, but question it yet. Can they pass over send a question Yaba? Now, over here, no, Amawo. Tell my Nabugusua, I mean, 18 common. Tell my meeting.
Sedeja, LA, and 6 rooms, office and store. Where is school soon? 6 rooms. Oko Motocrodia on office and store account. Seneja and LA.
Seneja, LA.
Yeah.
6 classroom blocks, office and store.
Exactly.
What about Asokore RC plan? Is it only 6 classroom blocks?
Exactly.
All right.
Only 6 classroom.
Motocrodia.
Motocrodia 3 classroom blocks.
3.
And also office and store.
Office.
You know, I want to Motocrodia when you say, Sabi, who share a one condition, say the city at times. With the teachers for no qua. Near maybe a or moon in your Massitantana was a tanade, the mom cacra. So we decided to add teachers' bungalows. I want to know qua a home who said it is you.
How many rooms?
3. No about to Kumso. Ya cho NDC, ya mamu no. Ya chamo biabi. Ntunkumso RC. There is a 6 room classroom block. Ntunkumso Nama Primary School. Also 3 classroom block, office and store. Bomso Primary School. One to 6.
Is it only 6 classroom?
No, with office and store. No about orientation, if it has got zongo. And then rehabilitation, JHS. And also yeah.
As for Zongo orientation.
Yeah, orientation. JHS. Afei, when we know.
JHS, I want to I want to
rehabilitation.
All right.
And you say no harder than you see and come. You know, you will say areas need to honor. In fact, na baby, on the job man, a problem.
Yabeba hono so. Yabeba hono so. Enti, ma be bi nua so mbrem kakra. Ma be bi nua mbrem kakra. Bi nua dey.
Yes sir.
Chairman akasa. Chairman akasa.
Chairman akasa. Better OBBS. I think this is my second time. Maybe video. Better was now. American chair. If you just say. In Nanamia, Michiano, Ikura, Michia, Asokore Mahini, so Nana, Asokore Father, Asokore Patim, so yeah, on Senegal. Traditional councils, me, no Campo, Muti, Mama, Ekui, Yedo, Mina, I said the chairman, the Kaka. Mechia, me party penny for ne, I have Mamini can clarify. I get you a chairman can. A buying now Oba Abemwa. Definitely, said you are expected to do something. SOABB. What I say? It say who started baby now we are. Sebi, no say the way you know Boni can be unprecedented. Was said yes, we are there. Ena wasadi ese oye na oye ni ye mani sipi na ade ni si ho na echa the benefit of ye nyina de na me person correct nche no waka extension of electrification to a place like Adensoja electricity extension and this time obi o Adensoja bi abetima send message abra na hwe and obi o Adensoja bi can attest to the fact extension of electricity within the Fijasi Township to Adensoja in this time. It was rightly under the MPP in this time. Baby, I'm a 10 or extension then. Very true. Extension 2, baby, I'm a it was done by the NDC. But extension from baby, I'm a downwards in this time. We said the chairman di Kaka said no great PR. Go to put baby Friday. True electricity, the electricity no echo most towns. Now, most towns no said them kind I buy the into a soy. Oba definitely baby. But me or this one no I get to say. Now electricity to Boya, Ducro, Titica, so. Somewhere like New Koforidia, Iowa, Udu Nkwankwenia, there's another aspect of New Kofor. All those places, especially Boya to Titikaso, now everything is in the pipeline. Like not even in the pipeline. You understand? Inti I buy there, Obeba, Ubeyebi, Untimi Yenina, and San Ubiade at was. Now the back classroom, right? Say you see who's the classroom. A different from say wabobo structure. I am crying equal school. there's difference between a classroom and it's what provided the needed structure and cried a good school. Mammy Charlie. Cover bit is a Esukoko. They built Umusi, but a dining estate correct. There's now we are constructing a new 6-unit classroom block over there. What Esukoko as at now? Esukoko, yes. People of Esukoko will be already obeying the other. We are constructing a new one over there.
Many of the bus, I have four, that one also. I have four. More penny for the day. You know more if you just mind GT so. And then you know more didn't come off. Yen district team, yen constituency, and put you. Said ye put you as it ever. Enti me stress fa o comment no question bra o me netia no na se bia na o mo kan say ye no press ye no pre mintimi ansa ma wa na say bia wote no woni se do mo kan ye no kra na se ye no kra fa o comment bra fa o question bra be kai no man ansa e de ama me nua pa to aso me
yeah kogwa ogwa you see 3-unit classroom blocks ogwa Medicaka Esukoko Kogwa
Esukoko say
Esukoko 6-unit classroom block over there. Ogwa what do you call it? Ogwa Kogwa you see another 6-unit classroom block over there. Koseneja and quite they finished completed. We are yet to hand over 6-unit classroom block with a library, offices. It was Seneja completed. Office with a library.
The same Seneja.
Same Seneja. Oko Seneja sisi there. All towns Omusian. Go and look at the state. They don't even use it again. A new one has been constructed. The people of Seneja Omutima send a message about testing to the fact. So, ko baby to say Dako. Koda ko mo sisi ana ko he dan na omu so mu si a omu ko school omu ko ne ko he na ko ne ko he the new 6-unit classroom block with the pavilion and go and look at it.
Is it
6-unit classroom block with office and a pavilion.
6-unit block is different from pavilion.
It's different from the pavilion. With office. Darko
and pavilion. How many rooms? The pavilion, how many rooms?
3 rooms. The pavilion, 3 rooms. And the 6-unit classroom with office. Where? Oba, ye feed us in your soccer. Me buy me the 2 of fiscal. Chairman of Waha. Or also, only fiscal. A fiscal, a face left. A fiscal, it got the facelift. Come on, Peniko for this or yeah, fiscal model school so Bekaya.
This time, message started from young quiet.
Oh, there be only or there be also say, Tio can send me. Say, yeah, argument or say when it comes to development.
My Mr. Chairman sent back. Chairman, yeah, Bernard. Honorable Quad DC 2009. Okay, then that's
it. So, we saw almost again single construction work in terms of the educational sector. And I am this year no fiscal. What do you mean? Me present TV. I just want to listen. Just recently, so now who is the vice president Baba? Okay, you call a fiscal. It could be a 12-unit story classroom block. There and there's another 12-unit classroom block and it's our ansana or Mampenico for time. Yeah, fiscal model school.
No. Neba. What's it? Mampeni Abedi Chibayo.
Yes.
It will be 12-unit I think say a story building.
A story building, yes.
Classroom block.
Yeah, classroom block.
And waiting, yes, how
there's another one. A fiscal baby hills was a little more. I'm making the message.
I don't think I say I will.
Yes.
I didn't say for a comment, no question, bra. And I am something for and some more can say a beer no crescent.
Thank you very much.
And go to put on Matia Mutano.
Thank you very much.
You say, you're tip free. One Casa phone, one Casa to me before. ebesi eti free mano
Who say who buy in secondary schools now? Baby, how quite there are so many infrastructures in the world to buy a fiscal.
na adentina medical go see 12 units classroom or fiscal na mo say si bi mo na e the other 4 schools.
No, maybe I'll relax so that you maybe me say what who say a fiscal being the fit and not call fiscal move away because of my panico for time fiscal was model schooler. Then the construction was going on very fast and quick. But almost said a dear bank development plan and NDC buyer or timid because fiscal. Even roader, they lead it to a fiscal. Those times are on my penny. I don't remember, but at a mills will say, Bahana quickly, Omukojo, yes, sapiti, and the road to a fiscal asphalt.
Asphalt 7 never so.
There is a school as them. Any school as them. Thank you very much. So, what you say? Bra, TI, Amedia girls. The only me, I'm a child, TI, Amedia girls. And most of the buildings and development at TI Amedia girls was by the Amedia Muslim mission. From those times up to the number of building or more diabeka TI Amedia girls in be number of buildings or more diabeka TI Amedia girls and school. Go and look at it there. Now I mean found what do you call it? MPP. There is an 8-unit classroom block with TI Media girls. Uncle. Krobia Santi. Krobia. Now we say the school used to be by an now government absorb it. Now government in collaboration with African Development Bank. And now Krobia Santi Vocational Institute as a polytechnic, as a university. Go and look at it. Under
which government?
Under APP government.
It's not constructing, establishing Krobia.
No, you are not getting the point. See, Krobia Santi was established solely by Omaihene as a private school. That was during the NDC's era. I hope you are understanding me. And yet, school like this in no
government pay and a buyer of a
where
government pay and a buyer of a because also it was solely established by the mining.
Yeah, solely established by which was absorbed by the then NDC government.
So NDC government never absorbing school, but absorbing school no development by and I time back up back or the call. What absorb you? There's difference between what absorb you. What absorb you means teachers no more administration baby now it's going to be run by Ghana Education Service. You will pay them.
Yes, who absorb we idea in development and idea in infrastructure and what they call zero. Krobia Asante Vocational Institute zero. So the building now on my you see as private man or not or this starting school no government absorbing or much me die ko musical as a government. Now go there and look.
Mamenko now Mamenko bra exactly Mamenko tell my son answer beba so no Mamenka ko fobi do comment aba na muntie yenia ya odo ntinuama but good morning ana yenia odo nti ya obo ne sem ma mo se mo ya ade ya odo nti was it ya hwe ma no nsei hwe de hwe ma no nsei episode usu was it 9 show episode say I'm watching you Stella Opoko was say I'm watching you Figo was say on point someone was good morning o Oku Odro Opoku ononso mamo boma baso Nelson Yabua was Sisi Kwaku Odonti also boma baso Don Suka was say I'm watching Kwaku Odro Opoku was a nice program well done comrades Ajiman Jau Frederick was say I'm watching Jau Frederick was say good work Abraham Esiama was wonderful Abraham Esiama was say I'm watching you live from Volta region Mamia Kriya Kranchiwa was say I'm watching Odifo was it good morning family of the Jasman GTV Odifo was a nice show ever say Bruno you do all Odifo was say I see my action Papa my ashy papa in the house. Honorable Ibrahim, more fire. Odi for Creole, Mr. David, more power. Someone more say I'm watching. Nana was good morning, host. Good morning, honorable. Good morning, director. Someone more say chairman one. Kwaku Odo, Opoku, was it or Boma Basso. Nana Akwasi, was it so, Mr. Honorable? What about the building you left over the bush? Were you able to integrate those buildings that left over? They say, yeah, Nana Akwasi, Mr. Honorable, no, all refer to when Chairman Yana said, all refer to Mr. David Abemdakon. Kwaku Odo Opoku was it chairman or chairman Basso? Does it cause a big up team? Nana Kwasi was Mr. David Nie. Kwaku Pane was it Brazil taking more time for the wonderful analysis and education. Was it tell your NDC man to stop polluting the system with fake news? My greetings to Dr. Nana Ayiwa, Professor Peter O. Kumasi, Jude, Kwano say, Honorable Samuel Ade Ajekum, and all MPP members. Efijata Sokoro constituencies raising higher under the watch of Dr. Nana Ayiwa and our MPP party. May God bless his work, his handwork, and pray for more strength and favor for him. Kwaku Opoku Odo, was it government is continuously processing, brother. Continuation process, brother. Nikki Blaze. Was it good morning, sir? Good morning, manager. Good morning, Mr. Honorable. Big up to my Nikki Blaze was it. So, who's right of the fact about the buildings of classroom block? Donsuga, Tim, I suggest you move to such places to capture so that we all see if it is pavilion or classroom block. Yabako. Now, we have to go there. Fico was it? A Fisco belongs to MPP. NS Rocky was it watching? Kwaku Odo was it? We are all Ghanaians, and I think we are all eagerly looking for development of our nation. So, what's up with Banter? Nikki Blay was it? But I think Episco belongs to MPP, not NDC. Okay, Yakai. Kwaku Odo Opoku was it? MPP and NDC is nothing. Ghana first, and Ghana belongs to us all. Diana Akatu was it? I'm watching. They say, yes, I'm going to go ahead. Either say, near Monkey Kane, say a classroom block, another pavilion. Ampa. Chairman.
Minya. The manager Akasa.
So your education sector.
Your education sector.
Manager Akasa. Na Oka Asukoko, Ahoka na mikrum, ma mikrum.
Oh, who press Koko? Yo.
Na le dana no ase say one ka say ya nyahwe wo ho. But rather no, ono so confirm say ya bibi na emom. We hear the state of the structure no. Enye. Good. Meaning so car we use so we use car. Na so we maintenance car no be pack. Sana structure so ye dey. You see. Enkwada ekomu omo tena se na sebe omo de omo hu twitwi omo yese omo de pencil de etwitwi dan. San ebema structure no so ahoden ede ebeba form enso to a ego roofing sheet so ene san kron ba san ebema structure na ahoden ede ewie boy ebeba form enti se wanye maintenance sa structure no etimi kwotena ho no afebo ana se etimi tena ho no afebo enti the main person manager tia said will be tested by no government is a continual process waba na so bia ya no wato aso. So, eno na ebema ye sika o man sika edi wura mpuntunwom mu no etimatena ho em say da kwa ho ne eskokọ de ni na ipe eno ka bibi efa efisku na kwa de ohia kwa am say o me de tato mo say Efisco ba be NPP private property.
And Obi say Efisco is belong to NPP. That is a private school.
Aye. Omo de ye na nim wo mo sa na mo ka. Sa so na omo de atu omo to omo da Ghana free titi go be bisin de. Esu emu hwi. You see Efisco men ka say o ma anye bibi wo ho. And also tena ha ka say ndisi yesu anye bibi wo ho a. Na no so sebi and so. Men kai kra no ya ye nema pii ba men kai kra mpokra no ukọ ho no ma the toilet facility o use ndisi ma wo. Onko no kwa ne check see. Toilet facility wo Efisco na me asem na make.
Emu de he.
Manager me ba so me ba so.
Me say depend no.
Me ba o kwaya.
O kasa ma.
Me ba o kwaya kasa. Sabai, we do bi any address to me.
On your pen.
Me ba o kwaya manager. Ben kasa.
No oka. The road leading to the Efisco. Oka ya BBC say nanu ya atamos. E ba ya na mu ye fast kuguso. Waja to yeguso. But the classes of roads, you see, Ubetmania the first class road, the surface dressing, whatever. It depended who they said you want a client no person we no. But I nye piano, a yes gravel, a mefan say umuswa, car be faso, and the ane enche. The road leading to the Efisco no, no come as some yen this year and Cassandre, ye. Near who's a hole in here. Say school point what if you just room na say ya kwan say na tia na akonya say the yitimi kuso eno ene ka no amamu papa ana oka krobia me nia tia me em say oka nsama na oka kafa krobia asante a vocational and the technical institute no now boy you were even shocked say what can answer you see when you go there. And me some say and they move to anamo what de say ka kwa na munya with the frame me ameto fu re kuka nim na me dimachin na me demoko
me ba mo me production team
no me
then chairman say
tie me
ono adofu e the car
me na me rouse
me na me take pictures about
that's it
infrastructure say cost for schools no
that's it
and you be ko you prepare you be ko the chairman
do ehia me ana ye no sabe ena na me ka no yes sabe se wonim de wo ya wo kasa na do sese ubu so probia mo nko probia school mo nko because wo kwa hon na yes Dubai baby school enyina da ne ye NDC I'm telling you
it's not true
what fact ne say NDC ena eye bibia wo hon and then I am even asking those teaching over there say they should call in or they should test in and attest to what I'm saying.
I have four. Yeah, questions.
Upon all the structures and infrastructures I do call on now the pavement was part of the contract. Now a second phase. I see a tile. A foam wing floor honina. And the fourth young party the cool position. Busawomo. Or mobile, much even a single block, Tokako Club Yahonoma. Single block, crab on to me, they are talk club Yahonoma, or one country. Bibi Piata won club Yahom, Nana square in your Bonabasso, one now, a pedal school, no, a bedroom pen so be a quarter baby and as Habani and this year, the boom. Oklahoma, wow, wonderful. Bibi Piata Papa be a walk, school Piadam. And this year, the second see a pussy and
give them facts. I have the
manager.
Because that school is the government school. Or be a private institution behind me for the just like that, unless you seek approval from the government. It is a who's approval, what assuming without admitting. Said the work and say no cry. Say Abama or Pine, that's all what we do school and not this about this room.
About so.
There are somewhere no any fan what for him fan with you go be. Message teachers or more, your members or more and friend. No more testing say as I make a me boy and I say Etiminia, Gronum Punto dear. Satmana during the 2020 elections. Near your campaign until now you call community by community. You do one community. And now you introduce and you tell a woman here so much about the NDC. Well, he be sorry or sorry no to niche or NDC they put to nobody to your mama.
Oh, Krubes.
Me more chronic because you no more.
Chairman.
Move intimidating. You
Manager.
I didn't play any more. Yes, I
Manager,
what kind of prep? I compare another kind of work at Caribbean Niger. They are chasing after you. We know them bad.
What kind of break I
I know much chasing.
don't chasing.
I won't pen the credit. I was not making me say me trunch. Or he don't serve what teacher was a more dear put to nobody teacher mamma. One community be to go so far. Some most our community needing. Yeah, Kasaya, you know, Kasaya was sorry. Yeah, I say NDC. Second young one in Kasuk like a minute. Minia, and Puntunuman, make one a black MP. Yakam the doors stand there, my head, my bobos. To be the American man say, a year, a bind there, Oba, now ye baby, that's all cook, that's on your bed to us. And on a man, you won't say, or man, ye day, 8 I'm say, Obo, I'm say, one now, or more effect, and I say, or more confidence, or a route.
I'm a Ansana, Yemia, de Ebemuno. Ya when you are more support to a program a year so. Yemia Udron tea washing bay, Udron tea washing bay. South Baby Power was so cardia for literal Udron tea washing bay or Asama Panoso about Rokana, come. The telephone number is 0592 381481. Jemia Odronti. Ababro Kanama. Come. Dr. Michael. Installation and tracking technologies. Some person will install with CCTV camera, multi and DSTV dish, tracking of cars, diagnosis of cars, watching, switching car engine by phones. Fred Jemia Michael. Our telephone number is 0591 782631. Miss Odra engineer the Odra fashion. Afijase engineer the Odra afashe. Miss Odra forms Ribi. Our Afijase my GHTV. Obaha on Sabbath Miakabi. 50 Ghana series per one so Betobi. Nadia Media Dio Musa or Simano. Down at the chair. Afijase my JMB consult. Some person planning program pa dia. GMB consult. On the plan amount. Amanae. Come. On telephone number 0243 228264. Open the visa from African wear dia. Yenya Jofty clothing. Open Palm African wear number fe. I'm also what's me the app life ye. The telephone number 0248791242. Adepa Ventures, local drinks and natural spices. The telephone number is 0249 903380. Nut and D. One also pastries, afterwash, Parazon, and liquid soap. The only piano for number 178 0244 365427. Milia.
Mr. say yes, starting ye cancer. What my can we or Darman? Mamini can clarify BBQ to be at Chairman can. You see, me say Chairman, it belongs to the NDC. Is the NDC, Mammy Chade. Circle, you can be said. Propaganda, so what you say? It can be so pro. And then, the ideal way you propagate your agenda to the people. But no propaganda. Glorify with an office. I feel as a Ghana for any tiba say more official propaganda. You the moody can't throw quantity. They are now want to do away with it. Who probably can't throw Ghana. my typical example. Just yesterday, so former NDC chairman Central Region, Alete Jacobs, I say, or her president Kufuor, Akwa Panacho, at those times, President Kufuor time, NDC former Nick can throw a press conference here. I can say President Kufuor could discabio Kuwait government or at the scanner there, Ashin Utum.
What is the problem? Say no in every party. I'm not now. I heard the other.
They are stock in trade. And this is in Toronto. Normal.
I kind of brand or this member. And they say in the end.
Would you follow? Discussing figures and maybe Chemuka. Say, school be model schooler. Everything in school here for the school to be a complete school is provided. And then I know or say toilet facilities here for school community till I'm and say, which one of them? Which one of them? When you're here in the model school, everything was provided. Even just about 2 years. Just about 2 years. As a man can say, was a little school, mama, so send you just message on confirming. The AC another 12-seater toilet facility. Just behind girls' dormitory, just behind the girls' dormitory. Must actual location. Or I won't send them back. Again,
we'll take pictures.
Again, Tobo, Kokrob, no, Okakrob Yasante, Vocational Institute. Kokrob Yasante, just about 2 years ago, it started a 12-seater toilet facility, or Kokrob Yasante Vocational Institute. Uncle 12-seater everywhere, tout. Uncle those Kwabia Santina, see, Medan Senior, former principal of Kwabia Santi Vocational Institute, Makonta, Solomon, Sophie Solo, on air for Heaven Life Ministry. Those days, on an air, the assistant principal, friend in Nebusan. 100% project completed by African Development Bank. The African Development Bank, government have only one person, one person. It's NDC in Germany, the kind of building now, no say, or they call African, or what do you call it? Kwabia Santi Vocational Institute. On Germany. May you advance here. The former principal, the assistant principal, or Kwabia Santi Vocational Institute. The buildings and everything you see there was by the African Development Bank. It is said here, some foundation be free. Turkey, ABC National Mosque. What is the government? We say only see National Mosque because it wasn't government. It was purely funded and built by a foundation in Turkey. It's government. And so why do you, as an NDC government, want to claim benefit of idea? It's truly and 100% done by African Development Bank. Kwabia Santi Vocational Institute. And me, NPP, buy within the next 4 years. Material said, you see 12-seater toilet facility. Almost your mom see anything. I think the moon see and ask Mosi. No, yes, God, so some people will take a picture. If taking in there, me part of teacher Libya or Kwabia Santi Vocational Institute. Obey make a picture there on fan send you. Yes, see, yes, you do a fiscal, yes, you do Kwabia, and yes, you do ESTS. ESTS, the answer, go and check. There are 3. They were teacher Libya or Kwabia. Say, mommy production team, not friend. Money friends is here. A friend, mammy. Now I confirm say. Confirm say facility. They see round son. Yes. Me pato. Friend no mama o say ye person who say
fully completed.
MPP government.
That's the point.
And AC sa 12 seater toilet facility no.
Water closet cra.
Okay.
Water closet cra. Say kololo mama chewade. Even MPP ba ben na say ye ka education no enye edan keke no nko a wasi on wasi dan na si on ene ne ma education within the constituency and our district no anymore. No, there are so many other things aside edan no keke na obe de ubesi no na na Akufo-Addo papa bi oba ben no true able member of parliament Dr. Free mama nche niema few things kakra bi a ya within the educational sector. I was such a East District. Obey one tie. Where Oba ya distribute okay enkrano bekwa akoye exam JHS for one thing we JHS student now o akoye exams o exams ade ba ko pa ya na ehia wo exams ni mo aye wo be ye pa mathematical sets ne sanema about 1,300 or something students are more district hanging control BC those times. We provided mathematical set for each one of them, every student to aid them in the exams now. Aside that, so schools the district now, we donated about 534 mono desk. And you will sit down, you will sit down in Quack and you see one
schools within the district.
Which schools within the district? You're more 534.
A school bang.
Yeah, in Sutem DAJHS.
In Sutem
DAJHS. In Tunkumsu Presby JHS.
In Tunkumsu
Presby JHS. In Tunkumsu RC Primary.
In Tunkumsu
RC Primary. Titekasu DA Primary.
Titekasu
DA Primary. Primary. Ko Apemso Primary.
Apemso.
Yes. Ko Feyasi DA Primary. Ko Seneja Methodist DHS. Seneja Methodist Primary.
Meba.
Feyasi DA Primary. Seneja Methodist DHS. Seneja Methodist Primary. Nkwankwanuya Presby. Okaikrom Salvation Army. Okaikrom DAJHS, Atakrom DAJHS. Go and check all this. We donated 534 mono desk to all of them. Now, when we come to tertiary students, more district, even just about 3 months ago, so even on Kesman TV, almost year in live, about 34 students. We about 3 years ago. That was 2018. And Sana just about 4 months ago. Yes, I be your party office. We gave first one EDKN. Yema 34 tertiary students. The MP donated an amount of money to help them in payment of their school fees.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm very sure.
Within the district.
Oh, I believe that the full list in now. The full list in there's one guy boy dio me chena there, so even obi or NDC ni background benefit. Obi or NDC ni neighbor or benefit. Boy be or that my hair, unim your friend ACL. So unim na. ACL. Committee one of the Damai committee for okay members no or papa unim no or papa NDC ni ba unim chairman no
or papa
NDC ni ba big time NDC and you sell we know but ACL ni mia ketua I or papa near NDC ni he was part of the omo beje party office make match your pictures
me person me the background benefits no it's na or on an
thank you very much. Nini boy no.
Or the
immediate one or tertiary school. Only no, the American only no. Chairman no. So thank you very much. Fetch what your friend who's answer Obeji and one Beji.
They would T+ number.
Friend who's he was part of it.
And me confirm
it. He was part of it. Obeji. And America say they can be 2018. And sana just some few and yeah, even when it comes to the classroom block now. Nana do that. Me cry me limit me to yen 6 years here ya. Nana do that go for the 2 member of parliament almost die be pa. Almost school da aside school da so. Eni ma side e course. O so be ma scholarship for tertiary students. And now there are about 16 of them. Repairs and maintenance of education district pickup. A Ghana Education Service. Omo pick up no. Omo pick up omo di mama about 6-7 years ago. Pick up na saying this you are there almost engine. the then district director, every who member of parliament, editing the name said, almost security supervisors, name na omu call round, echo check teachers, no, say, Sunny many night, echo for my day also pick up night. I say, the pick up now, mammy, pick up now, I say,
manager, yeah, Mebaso, Tamai, Mama tell my abemuno, Mammy reading for video comment about Jemia Abraham, SCM say, I'm enjoying the show, big ups. The manager David was it first the country now. Nana Kwesi was say, I mean, Honorable Ibrahim, the buildings that left over the bush, were you able to integrate them in the bush? Stop criticizing and say the facts. Thomas Boache was say, Mr. Dave, keep on doing the wonderful work. More fire. Was it change the constitution now? Don Suga was it Krobia current buildings wasn't initiated through MPP or NDC.
Purely African development.
We only have 1-story building for boys' dormitory and 6-unit classroom block done by NDC during Honorable Kwade era. Oka Krobia.
And I'm saying there's a 12-seater toilet facility there. At Krobia Santo location. I can show you pictures.
The person is sincere. O Casano, O Case, or Mobile, or Anya,
Missy Obai, do we and Onka, was only facts.
And not Obin so the Abase. We only have 1-story building for boys' dormitory.
We only have now, and I said then, we only had built by Kwade,
we only have 1-story building for boys' dormitory and 6-unit classroom block done by NDC during Honorable Kwade era.
Oh, me, I don't have any problem.
NPP has provided only 8 toilet-seater done by Honorable Nana Enyu. Was it 8?
No, 12-seater. 8, 12. High 6,
but Nipano Diabano was it?
And so,
Mate, Jabako,
so casual production bit my
and as Rocky was it? Tell
I feel I want to say, you all.
Maybe. Someone was it during the time of Honorable Pedro Ade, former DC? There wasn't enough traffic as we see it today. So, what has gone wrong during the era of MPP?
It's somebody's problem.
You know better. Don Suka, but Krobia, land of work, NGO from Holland provided some of the buildings.
Thank you very much.
Don Suka, Chairman always come around to wash his car at Odunti washing day. Continue to see manager this week that at Odunti washing bay. Chairman, you see how Odunti washing bay over wash your car. And there was some personal. Unless a coach in remote. Right.
Just behind of a coach.
Kofi Bright, also Mr. David, man of politics and facts. Kudos to your submissions. Watching you live. Right, JP as correct for that. Next thing you want. Ampem da kun David and fact. Kwaku Odo Oboku. I think still Nana Addo can do better with the amount of loans he has borrowed within 4 years. Adding to the national debt. Was asking.
As I'm okay, me, you are not simple. Make me you are not simple. Maybe on test, maybe I know your education.
Tamai, my fair.
Debbie, I can make school down.
Now we are dealing within the time.
Okay, no problem, Matthias.
Tamai, young talk about short time about the rules. Na yem fancy.
Yo, minia, say, me use my back per day. I clarify in media na minia no eka. Enukre, se wasamu enukra etiawa. Minia, the NPP, all my communicators, all my more brepa. Enye easy. All my more bre. Shed Okaya na scholarships, den. when NPP form Okrum ha, I'm benefiting scholarship under NDC regime.
Sema to no want no.
Only the number of NPP
education sector. Yes, I go.
Neba.
So now scholarships in this house. And I may do go. Okay.
I got this ticket so.
Okay.
I will no.
Enti sir providing the learning materials in this house but I think say na wo mem ha. E ba sa nyema no providing mathematical sets, books, whatever. NDC yapa ho yapa sa nyema no.
Opa ho na be.
Yeah. And now to come here, Chebi.
Semi address it to
Honorable, the late Honorable Solomon Mensa, the time. Schools are not more here. Mathematical set are not all come one seminar, not Sabi to one month. Or no come one seminar. What they are no, the priority. And as an achievement, I was say what district near to one month or near to Bush Street.
Oh, not just another Maya.
I don't know achievement. I don't know achievements. Your achievement is like said, all your doctorates now something new about system new some part which is a bit sabos body and on end this year the year level no. So sir who provided scholarship learning materials whatever
Evidence in here.
do what is it is need sir who provided the good accommodation to the teachers, whatever. No, what's some the year. Also, when to make a teacher bank require not even a single. You see, one more Kasa, once a topic now, the man, Rubisa said, during the Mahama era, one Kasa, during the Bia from Atamils era to Mahama era, also during the Mahama era and Nana Hicks Excellence Nanado era. But I specify.
Me.
Specify.
Oh, the Mahamani could be count. No, wait.
So
Specify. They only specify their name. Oh, and the school stand up when you're Mahama.
Mahama.
Where? Oh, David, Mahama no see them.
Let say over one said take question of Bizarre.
And some more kind now what's wrong.
Anuntina.
And then
starting from.
Okay, what a manicasa.
What time I come in for
Manicasa, what a manicasa.
Is it?
What a manicasa.
And some of the kind force achievements. And some of our kind say modern school, whatever fiscal.
With the exception of modern school, I have fiscal.
The pato. The Mao Kaya Menkasa.
Manager.
No problem.
Manager. Manager, the Mao Kaya.
So, all Cassanino, who force achievement, they only boost them.
Okay,
with the huge sum of 200 billion, whatever loan or magic, they have nothing to show. And you can't know refer for achievements and on the MPP, the boost them. But one dear, and actually, Ghana for 8 years, what they are not paid now, Nakasa all is well. The ordinary people on the streets. They are watching us, they are listening. Omun the aircraft woman, Omun going to change a minimum. And then can if you just say, and then so, empty, say somehow walk on, and then somehow may cano. Or be a walk on Quania, some say you provide this school. A man on Nasa Biasma make and say, you can't pass out when Sassma
provide this school.
Horrible. Then talk about rules now. Then talk about rules now.
Oh, yeah, said the Mekano, government is a continual process. May the assembly minder, no, if it does not. Now, Mekai say 2016, Honorable the former chief of staff, Honorable Julius Debra, Eba Krumah, as I make a move out from my 2016, 2016.
Oh, it's slow. It's a man.
Mr. Mama Penyo, what the pen by my side in just account. Say, you can't say, I'm can't see me. Cecilia, you should medium, but this is a BB. You see, more fun out from my inferior. Or buy. To buy, I don't quite in fear. And Nana, if you just saying Nana. Uniche editor Anabo and him say if you just see a major problem, your point. It was Serada 2016.
At that time,
At that
we are under Mohammed's
regime before the elections 2016. The other two Anabo Debrenim and a Debra sorry, no Nana. As someone else who was at the Audia to menu, Michelle Bosset, young free has a 1 week. You don't see 200 among Ama. Yes, town rules. As far as and yes, American say something I hear they hide it. You can easily find out from the inferior. And South American men are convener, West convener, assembly, district assembly. 1 week people the who's urban rules about assembly. And on the country say, yeah, approve 6 kilometers within the township. And the assembly no. And question roots are say, yeah. I led the team because I'm your West convener. So, until you don't find if you are surprisingly, one of the woman. Baby, you capture car one day for political reasons. On by you from your Fidanzo route. Route now, what some pass on be almost sanitation one. Sanitation. If it doesn't go sanitation, one. On say, and someone a route to be down my quantity to the Oyuku road. That route, no, it was part of the plan. But because of our political year, I'm going to free, so, that said township rules, it was approved by the NDC. Now, Sabe, can you dance with Chapeman, Cabana, and Capano, I approve it. As someone found out from that, what you say? Yeah, can Anna or they say because of Sabe, your one, yeah, can't you if you run into no, or no, 1 you two. You see, maybe, you see, there was a time. Assembly. Once a banter between yes, me create confusion between the DC and the MP. MP was touting say, "Why don't I hear you crying?" And then the DC came out boldly, said, "No, that set project it was approved." No, Nyabuta. Kasa. Ya approve ya a down data. And Sasi Yen Yai. And Tenyama said. Epinidi be de edbeje to no so na yakwan enya no kora da
Mr. David
and some yakan na no do people you need to follow up and say some way the muhwehwem no say some american na no kora na say
asem bia maka na bia le be follow
so enti obi betena ha say wono na yi kwan ne san kron ba na just say 7 nipa woni facts woni the information about the whole thing me the only thing I be abeka e bia me meja tum kakra the asphalt amodia beguso. But the surface, the initial surface dress near here, no, it was approved by the NDC. So what? Where is your facts? Me.
I'll
give you facts.
Mr. David.
I'll give you facts. No.
Where we are at 2 times.
We know them by heart. Any. What do I know, Papa? Ebedi say you from Mamona. Sabi Jamaica chinchilla man for real inside the Mamono. Any
Collection center crown ni.
So name it any. Etiminia. And you'll be able to cast us natural being contempo. Mamma Sanctuary, if you ask for a township, and there's one San James Sabua. So first dress and a yellow township in the NDC. And so catch us a bay. So first dress in the young township within that scoring. One day. And you say, government is the continual process. Oba, Nasa will be Ayabia. No baby, or Yedru, and I said the initial plan say Yedru A and I say Yedru Bia. So, Yedru baby Nasa went to me and Nasu from Oba no Abetwaso.
Oba no Abetwaso. Tell my.
And it's uncle for you.
Tell my.
Obia, Obakacha say if you just a town rose on the Abian, a contumpo, and then no credit.
And you could no credit. Tell my. But that's it. You're ready to.
Edu tembia.
Se kololo so kan. No, they say what time me TV free man na say.
TV free fa bi ko account en to na wo twa no anu ye no do so tie. Edu tembia also edu tembia wo kam tie. Insem na wo kan no. Proper government structure and processes in support of the organ. In support of the organ. Hey. go back to parliamentary hazard. Parliamentary hazard. Finance Minister able read budget for the year 2017-2018. Go and look at it. Efficacy Township Roads, it was inside. A woman government approved it that time. A woman, it in
Which year?
2017-2018.
2017.
2018.
2017.
2017-2018.
2018.
With the greatest of respect. You can't government pushes and the chairman on Tiasi. See, I'm going to make us maybe Sekololo. Equine Omu Benedame. After Tiasi Town Road, and Dabe.
Me find out.
WB and find you 2021 and Dabe.
Me as I'm better the judge. Me per se. No, Africa so go 2024 and the judge. And you tell almost say about. I say for
oh, Mamma Casa.
Meba. I say for.
Lies to the people.
I say for. Me paucho. Adia when you go to a question of this maybe as a foul or message bra or question bra. If I say we here, you start a construct a Figasi Township. I get 2019 years. I get 2019 years. 1 minute, me and media man make a money.
It looks like he's also on Agasano or confusion. As far as I did not say we construct the road. Timmy. I said, sir, we approve it.
How can you approve it?
Oh,
how you approve it based on what?
What's 1 minute, Mr.
I'm in charge. You see, Sister Samibusan say, Kumau, even though Sanke discussing, Kumau water facility now. Oh no, honey. What the man question almost Sammy? Kumau water facility now. When the construction.
It was a project under the NDC.
Oh, okay. And the budget never. One year budget.
You see, you don't understand the government process, Chairman. Okay, sir.
You see, the government process, no. As a starting free baby, na kuye baby. So ni media.
One
process, no.
One minute.
Process, no. As a starting free baby, na kuye baby. And the say waba. Waba. Nasa nipa na lay foundation. Ah. And that's what I make. I was so lazy. When you walk,
Tell
unse asemna mekaino still ahead uni say ye be ready budget unse ye wo 20 say ending of 2020 no and na ube ready the ensuing year 2021 the budget nti am say asemna mekaino unti ase meka 2017 now on you name say 2016 or they can accept wa confusion on just he doesn't even understand o mainwa government process untimi sorry nka say obi mesra o say nana ye problem de yakwan okọ ya o say na approve you what it doesn't support that what it doesn't support that. First of all, it needs to processes and so finally it will be approved. Who told you wabaha within 3-4 months? I say, yeah, approve it. Urban roads are by there. Why the cars are you don't. On chairman, a documented prover. If it has a Socorro Township road was approved in the urban roads by and at the end. Why the car? On sending the whole country. If it has a Socorro town roads, urban roads for us. If it roads, urban roads. On sending the and told and use our exposing. Town roads, urban roads. Town roads, urban, if it roads.
Who told you?
You don't even know the difference. You don't even know the difference. Chama, you don't even know the difference between what feeder roads do and what urban roads do. You don't. We can. But for the crime, moon down. Quite self-explanatory. Urban roads, feeder roads, and can say me already. You see, anything a matter of me, my documentary proof for me say, parliamentary hazard 2018. So, 2017, I'm the county confusion. But we need to already budget. Say 2017, the next one I'll be in 2018. You do it in 2017. Into the man because I said 2017, 2018. Into the confusion. parliamentary hazard your friend said the finance minister buyer already budget no if you just around 2019 yeah run around it's idea will say when I approve in 2016 now that time 2016 now who approved it was an election year per records I want my man per records I want my man the time development acquire no be election year. It's time ben or buy na time ben and who na time ben approve na one day the sense of knocking the intro into Jaika. Oba say only at the correction be an person mesaba with them I'm crying say wadaruma. South school diner okay can watch me nyama time I Rollins time nyama time. I Rollins time and Yamaha time. And you would have look at me. I thought say you thought now can the NDC I MPPI. Mahama time. School no Mahama time also see Kuma. On show me evidence. Mahama time. Oh time. At a most time I go passing yet Mahama time. It was at a most time. At a most time. At a most time, that was 2010. 2010 at a most. And you Mahama time, guys, as a nika. Into only said over route I from Tukumsukwai. Those time need you Nana Kufado, Adaroma, any through a member of parliament called lobby the buy in Tukumsu, a fine aye. Ufri, Asokore, Ekusi Nama, contractor or pine so, or Yejima. Senior contractor was all Yejima. Of Senti to Okaikum contractor was all and to a final linking all the towns within the constituency district now. Anyway, a Aquaswa, you got this navy, a casa contractor will come back to site of the bitumen body about big guardians.
Project. You see, this has you see, you people, I some of research you. And Trump, MPP.
Tina say. The some of my family time ben ye akokwaso ekwan gates no time ben ye that answer
What the root of the project? Where that now the free yours. You see, as some of some research here. A free yours two asukore the junction so on baby omo e buy am de ye drinks no more constructed drinks no you so to that junction so na me tell no enti band what say contractor ye dem contractor no wo ye ba na mo ba be to enti so mo jaka mo project
so we
me ba
what we me na ma me busa question who say ho asama o kan kwa ye nto tie masa why na ye kwan it say main road that free yankoma e be sina kwesi rush say ya start ya eba nanka omudu me ba ohwe enka odu na wotwa eyabo me fan say if you check room na eba nanka wotwa ba biti say asotwe eja na waba be start wo yankoma wo hu bi da what will be 80% that tobo that in say when you free yours every sekulu obi kantra na wasa ya aggressive if you know if you are sober if you are sober senka obewie ahinsan asa no aba bewie akokwaso anamboa sa anameboa we do let me ask a question if you are neighbor senka obewie ahinsan senka obewie ahinsan
just be pieni
one
let's go down inside
go asa no aba akokwaso enti o asa no aba akokwaso enti e dey na kwan free your sober you do ahinsan ya anyewu and you come free ahinsan ya ba akokwaso what who be that no me busa kwachi what who be that that be what who be that
the contract that junction as correct 2 years so
what 2 years for as correct to him you also
me catch up that
jai side now you see
Asokwa wa ji. Aso me time me na me kasa.
Chama neba odowiente.
Enyo na busani say ade efiri your soba me fan senka efiri afigase a same ye ekwan efiri afigase a akosi edwoso tio ya start efiri afigase etika the next time hefa ye kono ye de kokuma ye hefa nye gabe good me etwa gabe ga me akọ start efiri asotwe ye de kojo wo hu bi da kebi no kan
se ebi
oh mami kama
se
ebi wide ebi wide
ebi wide ya promo ye dade
meba kon uti so uti no ka o say and trying those inconsistencies so see free yours ebe sin ifa asokore asembe kura na ni ben if yours ebe si asokore the contractor or yeah from so on show my completely or Ramsey Bridge. Yes. Also contractor na come. A year from Asokore a day qua to what do you call in Kwankweni Akwan. Also say we so free and what do you call Benkumo in the Fakwan. Contractor go so no what in the contractor. Oh yes, Akwan na I am Kwankweni Akwan. Also so contract ni free. What do you call it? You also find if a client about me see Asokore. That's not correct. There are so many inconsistencies. There are so many inconsistencies. Then move free your so ban. Omuka and sign boy ebe akokwaso. Somehow can and fuck him tie. Yeah. And then me say by the close of this year, Sechi to Okaiko to Ataku. Who project my way? See you. And trolley propaganda and okay, maybe one question. What Mrs. Senti to Okaiko to Ataku.
No, because I am so drunk. The say, Senator Kwan is on the say. I want him. You see, ABNU say, what is the point about this?
And Charlie Doss
within that community, I'm saying escaping me. And I'm correct.
You see,
so what is the problem about that?
You see, who corrected me? Who are correcting one? I mean,
oh, okay, admitted. And I make us say, now, make us was a sir, root.
And you who corrected me? I correct me. Okay, admitted. Who the other? I went to issue be now raised by former DC quite the say obi say and you win a tower. Okay, you have about 2016. You have about 2016. Now you MPP, Dr. Nana, you were free as a parliamentary candidate. And Nana NDC boom Nana a power. And Dr. You were free Emma grader. Every town roads, every roads now within the constituency, almost all of them. You were here. Yet, the NDC, what that because great I could see the police video call meeting that show. I could see the police station said MP only in collaboration with the district assembly. I saw no waiting yes again away and acquired them yet. Me and I'm leaving again. At me bar police station. What better I am saying
it's okay. I say for if you just might it, TV Swan and Masuga Muti, morning show, voice it. And one of the share not was another. It just so boo. Janet, NDC, Fijasa Sokore, NDC constituency chairman, and a Fijasa MPP, one of our police station, chairman, Bako, and Asia. Chairman, one way.
I'm clarification. When the difference between the urban rules and then the feeder rules, I'm trying. The feeder rules. They only take care with connection a free day within the major town to the villages. Excuse me to use that word. improve ketewa more or less or on paved roads and ana feeder roads near the take care of so reshaping this and back. But with this, me so urban roads, me so go and check the assembly hazard. Men at that time, number one. Urban roads and taking measurement. Nada me no woman in the forums here pipiada. And to that site project, it was approved by the NDC. What to mean and fan count achievement. Minya, okay, Cocoa Roads are they are what they from Senyeja to Conquania to Dancer. Okay, Saquano. The person who said, said, you see, NPP don't not do so. Mobile pet because those are not contractors, me and know what's happened. So, never call you free. What they say, Senyeja to our hem. Now I'm so up to us the idea. What shall I plan for your time, baby, portion baby cacra? Or mobile pet, and almost a sound road no, or more auditing, and or more a suspended road no. Close to the 5 years, I think it's close to 5 years now. A debena is what Sapan so. One or more and contompo energy to me. But what the 2 million and more Maria, I feel no made the almost to papa so. It's in the American answer if you just man not score mine. You better massy. Sir, more Tambia, more prim punto ede, a bocrum. Now, the American say, Yamin in the the Abbot Nahaseno. Enna sabi be a with the party A and also party B HNT e be a do work no na se wonim no krakra o se me dem ye dem minyim to mummy fe ni to from na yemu say ye ho say ensam a yemi anu ye ka no e mu je hin enna woye dem nipa na waka no mimi de mani ye de ehu enti mini ameda ase and I hope say tambia ye benya akonya bi mu a ye be sa betena ha no
mesa from ye because
let my this day to be at to anymore. Say, Yami Adama memory day, you can see young people before. Miniaba, Miniaba, from Saturday, Yanni, and over Fidan Zongo. Miss Red, I don't know who as a more. Na a metamichi. I mean, to me, crabbing and crab. My GT, the farmer was what? From by a farmer, who go home, production team now, Mate, or more, and no between Metia and this phone and Kankan conference executive members and the branch executives. You saw a Jumadina or mobile. Now, you hope they say Yamiaduma. Said, oh, my, and then what you will be, I'll be at China, or just what? And I will go and be a macho, or the Yaya bread. Pepe, and chair, Yaya bread, Matthew, Yaya bread, and yes, a man I yet away. Now I think said the next time Biano, you will open up in the broad manner. Near show man and Casa, your status, the current status we are in as a nation, near Shadi, near home baby, our man here, the middle of the assay. That's it. The battle, someone in the enemy has to come.
Secololo, where you are Dharma, at your 40. Do Tembiana, ye can't sing beer, ya the needed education, maybe a Ubi Betimaka Sabia, ye better Sebi, maybe Chama Unimide, Sebi, yes, or Miss Dicaka. So I can see and training maybe Mamma be and Sabiana Ubi Afa Sabia, ye better young Canocrana, Yakikan sing beer for when me pacho. The Department of Feeder Roads is responsible for the road construction and road maintenance of feeder roads in Ghana. Construction and maintenance of feeder roads in Ghana. And the Department of Urban Roads is responsible for the road construction and road maintenance of urban roads in Ghana. Of urban roads in Ghana. One is responsible for the construction and maintenance of feeder roads. And one is responsible for the construction and maintenance of urban roads.
So what is the difference? Because remember, construction within the township, constructing. So it was the responsibility of the urban roads. Miss at that time. Go and check that.
You see. Very important. It is urban roads. it's been done by urban roads. But a coin for that's a town roads ne di can be yeah. Now you for bitumen in goods no more. It's done by it was done by.
Who say I apply bitumen? Who told you that? It was surface dressing, and they take care of the surface dressing, and then the asphaltic roads. So never tell. The fact that said, I know asphaltic roads.
Chairman.
So it was a surface dressing.
When it next time,
when it comes to another, when it comes to another, I've given out the duration. Chairman, conclude.
Either a surface dressing or asphaltic roads. What we need now, we take care of.
Mainly
the feeder roads from there. Yeah, recipe me.
Who told you feeder roads is for you?
Let's say invite you, Chairman.
Any old school, so who him that NDC as a political party there? Propaganda. So ni sani ma we na. But the SN hu ni say Nana Akufo-Addo, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo Papa bi oye adwuma. The member of parliament within the UNIM, there has never been any member of parliament. Why you adwuma chain the Dr. Nana UFI and then Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ayen work if he has a district. There has never been any member of parliament. There's never been any president. Why you don't a chain Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo any Dr. Nana UFI it was such a district. So what I say, and young Koso, you have the faith in the MPP government, you have the faith in Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo government. Then also you have faith in the member of parliament, Dr. Nana UFI. So if you just say, any asokore, in Puntujuma, I am ba. If you Nana Addo pension, I am ba. Eba betu asosa. Now, unim say unim say constructed another district hospital. So we are aware. So we need to construct another
health sector.
Next year.
However, I hire a just my GNTV. That's all about to say. But and that many and the other same year no more consideration. The promoter. David Apemdako and then constituency MP people, one of their police stations, chairman, and then the NDC Honorable Ibrahim Adams, constituency, NDC, chairman, I'm making card of 40 as a comment here. I'm going to buy it. Somewhere I love this program. Rita Jemfua. Was it NDC and Konkonsa? When you're trying to kill NDC and Konkonsa. So, Drew Opoku, I say, Ghana is winning because now the youth in this country are wiser than this partisan politics that is dividing us. What a TNM. Dansuka. I think David is right. Town roads is different from urban roads.
Town roads is different from urban roads.
Nelson Yabua.
Why do you confuse yourself?
Nelson Yabua. I say, Chairman doesn't understand government process. I say, you can't get up to construct roads without approval from government. Without approval from government. It's not the same. It's not the same. Buying pepper from a Figasen market. Indeed. Indeed. There should be education on government structure. Don't worry, we will do it.
In assembly.
Danso Edin Krahine. Danso Edin Krahine. The NDC constituency chairman is handling less and half but truth. Never again for the NDC. As Ghanaians, we ought not to give them the mantle because all they will do is wreck our nation more. With time, the MPP through social intervention programs will transform our Ghana. All we need is time. I say, any vicious leader will change constitution to include all Ghanaians in development of our nation, not creating divisions with party politics. Our step forward 2 steps